Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. This one is certified pre-owned. We've got a black MBTEX interior, sunroof coming around back. We've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a burl walnut wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got a rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, our hard keys for our media display, cup holders. More buttons for our infotainment center, our dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 28,672 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.